Shamai 303 class. Now this semester you're going to be practicing careful observation and using information about what you learned to help guide a child's specific behavior. You will be writing a social story about a social topic and reading it to the child and other children in the classroom, and then seeing if the story's been effective in addressing a particular behavior. Now let's look at the resources available for you for this assignment. Everything you need can be found in the field experience and evidence-based intervention story. And of course, first we have the forms and paperwork. When you click on this file, you're going to find the code of ethics, letters of introduction you need to personalize and take into your field experience placement, and then a time log that you will fill out and then submit at the end of the semester, documenting the 15 hours that you've put in on this field experience. The entire schedule for this project is carefully mapped out for you week by week as an overview. And as you can see, there's a little bit of leeway there. Week 4, 5 and 6, 7, 9 through 12. As you can see, it's just laid out. And this is a very important file folder, the evidence-based intervention, the social stories, what you are going to be creating and doing. This file is filled with resources about what social stories are, how they're used, and how to write one. It's very important that you read and watch the material in this folder so you know what to do. Additionally, we'll talk about it in class, but this will be a great resource for you for completing this assignment. As you can see, the next little item there is a breakdown of the points. This is a big project, your biggest project in this class at 195 points. I take you step by step through the process, and every time you want to turn in an assignment, you will be linked back to this file folder so that you can submit all your assignments, and this takes you all the way through to your final project for this semester. So I hope that this gives you a quick overview of how to use all the resources in this file folder. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, shoot me an email. Have fun with this semester. Take care.